Hello everyone, welcome to Tim Reviews Everything. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, if you could do that, hit that notification bell so you know when I post videos. Guys, this is video 11. I said I was going to do 12 videos in a row to start off this channel. The last couple videos, I apologize. I had my son filming. We've been running around all over the place. I've been working on our living room, dining room floor. So I've been very busy. I work night shift also, so I mean, it's just like, it's been a crazy week. I got another YouTube channel I do too, Step One Finance, and I talk about how we paid off over $100,000 in debt in less than 4 years. So if you guys are interested in paying off your debts, I highly recommend. That's the subscribe bar that I'm using on this channel here. The Step One Finance. I'm just trying to help other people do what we did. Today I'm going to be reviewing the RYOBI AirStrike. I paid $129 for this at Home Depot. I love RYOBI tools. For your do-it-yourself projects around the home, guys, you cannot beat these tools. They're so inexpensive that use them for 5, 6, 7 years, they break, go buy a new one. But I got news for you. I have some old blue series stuff I've had for over a decade. This stuff works. I got the a smaller circular saw, all 18 volt stuff. I got the reciprocating saw. I use this on everything, cutting little branches that are sticking up by the house or something like that. Guys, I abuse these tools. I'm going to be reviewing a lot of these tools today. Like I said, the AirStrike. So here, I'm going to show you this sample piece of wood I did. So this is my transition strip that I just did, and I was trying to gauge the depth of the nail. I didn't want it to be in too far, and I didn't want it to be too high. So I was playing around with the depth to see on a sample piece there, to see the depth. And so on this, right up here, or I'm sorry, right back here, there's a minus and a plus. So I ended up using it about right there. So this gauges how deep your nail is going to go. So, and guys, this fires every time. I'm going to show you right now. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how nice this works. So this is just a scrap piece of wood that I'm sticking on here. I'm going to put it on the lowest setting, the minus all the way. And there you have it. All right, it's basically, the nail is pretty flush with the top of it. So I'm going to click it one. There it is again. You got the safety mechanism here. It does not fire unless this is pushed down against the wood, which is also nice. I turned it up just a little bit more. All right, guys, so I ran out of nails. Perfect timing. So this piece here, you slide this down and it locks in down there. So it opens up the bottom of this tray here. So 16 gauge nails, 1.5 inch. You slide them in the bottom here. Just turn this upside down. There's a release button right here. You push that release button and it slides up, and that's it, guys. You're ready to fire again. So I'm gonna grab my battery. I unplugged it. I took the battery out so while I was changing it just for safety, and we're ready to fire again. All right, guys. So I'm gonna continue with the demonstration here now. So I'm turning this up a click every time. So there's that. I'm gonna click it up again. Click it up again. And one more time. This is full blast. And as you can see, I don't know, it's going to be kind of hard for you guys to see, but it went in deeper every time. So it's shallow and it just gets a little bit deeper every time. So real nice tool. And guys, like I said, every time. This gun is awesome. I freaking love it. So guys, yeah, the RYOBI here, I love it. Fires every time. I've never had a misfire or a jam yet. So guys, the RYOBI AirStrike, like I said, I'm using a 4A battery in this. And up here, if you do get a jam, this pops up here. All right, and this pops open, and you can get your nail out if you have a jam. But like I said, I've never had a jam yet, but nice little option there in case you do have a jam. It has obviously you can see the flashlight on it. There's a button right under it for the flashlight. Okay, and you could also, down here, I don't know if you can see it, but this has multiple nails like I was doing, or it has a single strike. So it only fires one time. This way here, every time you push down, it fires. So once again, guys, and you could use in this gun, it shows you back here 3/4 of an inch up to 2.5 inches. So you could use a variety of different size nails in there. But guys, the RYOBI AirStrike, Home Depot, $129.99. If you're going to be doing a lot of baseboards, trim, you know, quarter round, what have you, guys, this is it. Eventually, we're going to be doing our whole house, and in our old house, I used this a lot too when we were getting it ready to sell. So great thing to have around the house for trim. So guys, this is today's video. Tomorrow I will be reviewing my 12th and final day, and from there on I'll be, you know, reviewing hopefully like once a week. So I appreciate you guys sticking with me for the first 12 days, and I hope you stay with the channel. I'll see you tomorrow.